Google Reader is an RSS reader application that enables you to read any information you subscribe to via RSS in one place. So rather than having to visit multiple websites every day in order to keep on top of the information you are interested in, you can have all this information delivered and displayed through one easy-to-use interface. So let's take a look at Google Reader. If you already know the web address of the RSS feed that you want to subscribe to, you can use the Add a Subscription option to add the feed to your subscription list. However, you can also use this to search for RSS feeds. For example, if you are interested in RSS feeds related to food, then enter food in the Add a Subscription box and click Add. The right-hand side of the reader will display a list of websites that provide RSS feeds for information relating to food. The number of people that subscribe to each feed is displayed in the left column, giving you an indication of how popular it is. Click on the title of the feed that interests you to see the type of articles this website provides. If you like what you see, then go to the top of the screen and click on the Subscribe option to add this website to your subscription list. For each subscription on the left, you can change various properties, such as whether it displays the newest or the oldest articles first. You can also choose to unsubscribe from the website or rename the subscription to something that makes more sense to you. Select Rename Subscription and in the pop-up window enter a new name for this feed. Google Reader also enables you to mark articles as your favourites. This is useful if you want to keep a note of certain articles that you want to come back to at a later date. To mark an article as a favourite, simply click on the star icon on the top left corner of the article's window. You can then view a list of just your starred items by selecting this option in the left menu. To go to the original article, simply click on the title of the article and you are taken directly to the website where this appears. On the home page of Google Reader, you will see a list of all the new articles for each subscription. This gives you a great overview or summary of the content you need to catch up on. Alternatively, if you want to see all the articles for all of your subscriptions, click on All Items in the left menu. You can also scroll between articles using the Previous Item and Next Item buttons at the bottom of the list. When you find interesting items on Reader, you can choose to share those items either publicly or with a certain group of your friends. Just click on the Share button underneath the item. Then any articles you have decided to share will appear in your shared items list here. You can also add your own notes or comments to your shared items, and these will appear in the Notes section. Any notes you add will be automatically shared with your followers. Trends gives you an insight into your reading behaviour. You can see how many posts you read daily, what are your favourite feeds, as well as the most inactive feeds. So if it shows that you're not reading the articles for a particular feed or subscription, then you can decide to unsubscribe. You can view the articles that other people have shared with you via the People You Follow section. Recommended items and recommended sources are feeds that Google recommends specifically for you. Google uses a series of algorithms to create your personalised list and takes into account things like your past reading behaviour, including articles that you have liked or starred as your favourites. You can also search for articles using the search box at the top of the Reader screen. You can narrow your search by searching only within a particular list or folder, such as your starred items or recommended items. So that's it. As you can see, Google Reader is a really useful tool to help you keep track of the latest articles being published on multiple websites through one easy-to-use interface.